This quick video is about how to see your currently installed apps as well as previously installed apps, deleted apps on any iPhone and iPad. Okay, let's see that. First open App Store. Then click here. Now tap Purchased. Under All, you can see all your installed and previously uninstalled apps. And if you see Open and Update, it represents currently installed apps on your iPhone. And if you switch this to Not on this phone, these all apps are previously installed on your iPhone. Later that it will be uninstalled. And if you tap this, you can again install the apps. By this way you can find and restore your installed and previously installed apps on iPhone. And if you want to know more useful quick videos about App Store means, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.